Hello friends, Marcy here. I am kind of doing a quick redo of my video because I started this unboxing and something happened to my video, my phone, so I wanted to start back from the beginning because of this presentation. I ordered a pen, the new Eco T Coral, TWSBI Eco T Coral, and it was shared online in a Facebook group, and it's from Birmingham. I'll look at the thing in a minute because I just thought this clip was adorable. When I opened the box and saw this paper clip in the shape of a nib, I was like, oh my goodness, how precious is that? And that looks yellow on the screen, but in front of me it has a fine amber gold color. So I was just impressed with that. I can't wait to put that in my notebooks. But I want to move this out of the way because I know this is an invoice. And then I wish they had text on top of this, like this, for the presentation. But that's Birmingham Pen Company, and it's birminghampencompany.com. I'll check in a moment. But I got an awesome deal. It was a combo deal, and it had a TWSBI Eco T, or Eco T, I think that's how it's pronounced, in the new color coral. And in the combo package deal, it was another pen selection. You got to choose your color, and then you also got to choose 2 extra nibs that would fit. And I picked a fine and a 1.1 stub. Okay, and so the pens, I'm going to move this out of the way. The extra pen, I'll unwrap that first. The extra pen that I selected, and I don't remember the color choices. I think there was like 5, but I chose, once I saw rose gold, I knew I was done. This is a rose gold pen, and it's substantial, not too heavy, but it's not a light plastic pen either. It's gorgeous. And it's a metal pen. I'm not sure what metal it is, but oh my goodness. I need a background here. Let me try this. And that's a fine. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the inside of the pen because it did, I believe, come with a cartridge. I believe it came with a converter switch. Oh, yep, Marcy. There we go. It does have a converter, so that's a savings right there. This pen was actually free just by buying the TWSBI Eco T. This pen was a free choice, and the 2 extra nibs were a free choice. No extra cost to the TWSBI Eco T. And I'm going to get into this. Let's see. Okay, and so instructions using the wrench. There is some, I think that's silicone grease. Let me turn it around and see. Okay, yes, silicone grease included, and a wrench for disassembling. It's cool. It matches, the wrench is the same color as the ends and the cap. So here is no alcohol. Do not use alcohol to wipe or cleanse the outside of your pen. It probably destroys the sheen on the plastic. But that's a gorgeous color. Can't wait to ink it. And when I ordered this, I didn't think about ordering a complimentary, I can't see the nib size on that, but I think I got fine on that as well. I didn't think about ordering a complimentary ink, so I'm going to go through my ink sample stash from Goulet Pens and choose one of my ink samples. But I just thought this was gorgeous. I want to show you what's included in the box and how it's packaged. And in case you have any questions or if you find yourself wanting one, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.